Hi everyone, I went out to do a little experiment. After sending emails to a bunch of university professors explaining them my silly idea to prove that we live on a globe, I got a few good replies. One person suggested I should go watch the wind turbines in the North Sea, since they are many miles out from the coast. He was so nice he even did all the calculations for me. First, let me give you some info on these turbines. They have been building these like crazy in the last few years. They are all in the same area in front of the Belgian coast. At a distance of 30 kilometers there is a Thornton bank. It's a group of 54 turbines. The hub is around 94 meters above sea level and the rotor has a diameter of 126 meters. According to the calculations the professor made, the formula used by flat earthers, that's 8" times mile squared, seems to be correct. For a distance of 30 kilometers, that's 80.64 miles, that brings us to 190 feet or 58 meters of curvature. So we should expect to see something like this. At a distance of 37 kilometers there is north wind. They have 72 turbines. The hub is around 71 meters above sea level, with a rotor of 112 meters. Over a distance of 37 kilometers there should be 107 meters drop-off or 352 feet. So we should expect to see only the top of the turbine. At a distance of 46 kilometers there's bell wind. They have 55 turbines. The hub is around 65 meters above sea level with a rotor diameter of 90 meters. At a distance of 46 kilometers there should be 544 feet or 166 meters of curvature. So we should expect to see nothing at all. It should be way below the horizon. So this is sort of what we should expect to see. In this footage I placed the camera as low as possible, right above sea level. The result seems to be what we would expect to see. We can see what appears to be the first group of turbines and they are halfway below the horizon. This must be proof of the globe. Hang on, the experiment is not over yet. So I was thinking I had proven the globe. Until I stood up and zoomed in on the turbines again. So this footage was taken at eye level. So as you can see, we can see a lot more of the turbines now, even though I'm filming from less than 2 meters high. Now the rotor is fully above the horizon. That's a lot more than 2 meters extra that we see. It also appears that we can see the second group of turbines in the background. They are mostly below the horizon. So I went up a little higher. This footage was taken from around 7 or 8 meters above sea level. That's around 26 feet. Now it seems that we can see the first group of turbines fully. Also in the background we can see most of the second group of turbines. Also notice how the turbines in the background are much harder to see. I'm sure on a clear day you could see them much better. The atmosphere is full of particles. I noticed that I could see further at some moments when the weather was better. So for all the trolls out there who are asking, if it is flat, why can't we see the other side of the world? You can't see an unlimited distance. It's pretty easy to prove this to yourself. You just buy a $3,000 camera, you go to space and try to zoom in over a distance of 500 miles. So, does this prove the flat Earth, or does this prove the globe? I will let you decide.